Good morning, students. This video session is about the activity which you have to do based on the lesson computer networks, which we have completed and already it is done. So the activity which I am going to give you is you have to draw the different structures of topologies. We have discussed 7 types of topologies in the earlier classes, like line topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, and a fully connected topology. You have to draw the different structures of topologies and you have to explain each of them. It means how each of the topology is connected, what happens if the cable breaks in each of the topologies, and you have to describe the situation where each topology is used, in which type of network this topology is used, and what kind of situation you have to use it will be used. You have to give at least one example. To complete this activity, you need not paste any pictures or chart, something like that. Just make use of A4 size papers to complete the activity. If the A4 size sheets are also not available, you can make use of the papers from the old rough books and you can do it. You need not require much material which will not be available now also. So try to make it simply. Just I have given you to draw the different structures of topologies and to explain each of them, and you have to give one example to describe the situation where each of it is used, and you have to explain how they are connected to each other. This is one activity, and the next activity is about HTML. As you all have learned in the previous class 7th about the introduction of the HTML, I hope you all remember it and you can do it from the previous knowledge. Just I'll give you the sample introduction of HTML. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language which is used to create and design the web pages. To create the web page, we need a software notepad for the HTML document. How will you open notepad? You have to click on the start button, all programs, accessories, then notepad, or else you can simply type in the search box notepad, then you will be able to find and you can open it. After opening notepad, you have to type the HTML code, and the most important thing is you have to save the file with the extension .htm or .html. If not, the text what you typed will be considered as a general text which you type in a notepad, and it is considered as a .txt format. So it is important to save the file with the extension .htm or .html. As soon as you save the file with that extension, the file will be loaded with a web browser icon at the location where you saved the file. It means the file will be saved with the Google Chrome web browser icon or else Internet Explorer. So when you click on that web browser, it will open you the web page based on the code you have written. So I want you all to create a HTML document by inserting a small paragraph of about 5 to 6 lines on any of the topic. For example, impact of computers on science and technology, and the impact of computer technology in education, or different general topics apart from the COVID-19, the current situation. I want you to do for the rest of the topics on your own. Just try to insert a paragraph of about 5 to 6 lines and apply the effects like different heading tags. What are the heading tags? H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is used to give the largest heading in a document, and H6 is used to give the smallest heading. Meanwhile 2, 3, 4, 5 are the small, the size will be reduced when compared to the H1. Here I have given you the structure of HTML document, how to create it. HTML, the HTML code must be enclosed in a angle brackets. HTML is the main code which has to be written, without which the document will not be considered as a HTML document. So after HTML document, there are two sections, header and a body section. The head section consists only of the title of the page, so only the title can be written in the head section. So open the head tag and give the title, and then close title and the head tag. each of the tag must be closed. The closing tag is denoted by the forward slash. If you don't close the tag, it will show error and it cannot load the web page properly and it doesn't display the content. Next is body section. All the content which is displayed on the web page must be written in the body section only. If you write in the header section, it doesn't display over the screen. After opening the body tag, as I asked you to write a small paragraph, you have to make use of the P tag. P is used to create a paragraph. Type the paragraph, then close the body and HTML. Meanwhile, I ask you to apply the background color also. What is background color? It is an attribute of body tag where it must be written in the body tag itself. So after writing body, give space, add bg color is equal to and give the name of any other color and close it. Closing in the sense the angle bracket must be present. Then I ask you to give the heading tags. I asked you to write a paragraph of about 5 to 6 lines. You can make use of each heading tag for each of the line. H1 for the first line, H2 for the first line. How will you apply the heading tag? Before the start of each line, the number of the heading tag must be present and at the end of it, the heading tag must be closed. Suppose in the body section, the paragraph is starting with P. Open the P. Now give the H1. Type the first point. Close H1. Now give the H2 tag. Type the text. Close H2. Similarly till H6. Now the paragraph is over. So immediately you have to close the P tag denoting with the forward slash. Then the body section is also completed. Close the body section and then close the HTML. Now save this file with the extension .html or .htm and this will be loaded with the web browser icon. When you double click on it, the web browser will open you a web page of what you have created. And the most important thing is, children, I will be giving you the marks for these two activities and I request you all to submit when the school reopens and you people have to submit the hard copies only. The marks will be awarded for this. Those are not submitting these work, the marks will be minused for them. Kindly do the activities. Thank you, children. Have a good day.